بدك ماما؟
بس برلي لك.
ليه ما قلتيله؟
انا وصيت عماد هي بصيدا بس بعد ما اجى مش مشكلة.
لازم قلتيله فجر.
لا ما انا قلت له العماد نزل على صيد. هلا كيفك؟ منيح؟ شو الصبايا تحت؟ شو بدكم تنزلوا عندهم؟ شو؟
يمكن بعده نام بعد شوي
بعده
بكير.
نايمين؟ لا واعيين.
Let me go?
لا بعد شوي.
No. Oh, it's still morning.
ليش عندك؟ بدي واحد. يلا هلا بس يجيب لي برد لك. يلا. شو؟ نازلين رايحين؟
شو بدك تعملي تخبرين بهالتوم؟
بدي اعمل دجاج بدي.
يلا تا.
You come with us?
Yeah, wait. I will show her the kiwi. Wait, mama, wait. Ipakita ko yung kiwi niya. Tignan niyo yung kiwi niya, guys. Oh. Mama. Yan, kiwi. Kiwi. Ito ang garden niya. Alam, may pechay siya. Pechay ba yun? Yeah, ay lettuce. Yan, pero wait, baba tayo. Ito ang garden niya, guys. Nag-garden din siya. Wala na yung kamatis niya. May ano siya, pumpkin. Yan o, pumpkin. Kamatis. Ito yung parsley niya. Parsley. Lettuce. Ito, spinach. Ay, hindi. Chard leaves. Ito. Sili ang tawag nila. Wow. Nag-garden din siya. Ito. Kiwi. Daming kiwi. Mahal ito sa ano? Sa market. Per piece. 60,000 atang per piece.
Yes, kiwi.
Yeah.
So delicious.
You like kiwi?
Huh?
You like kiwi?
I never tried it, but I think it's delicious.
Yeah, the green one, mama.
Yeah,
It's
I never
citrus.
tried it.
It's like it's citrus and there is seed inside. And then this is walnuts. I will show you.
Where did walnut?
Yan. Yeah.
We go down to Salazar.
Ito ang walnuts. Afternoon we go, mama. Inshallah. I don't want them to disturb. Maybe they are doing something.
Afternoon we're gonna go.
No, we will go around 5 o'clock, Daddy said. So after we eat, we go down. Yan, walnuts ito.
I said to Daddy,
Yala, we go home, hala. Miss hala. Yala, bye to. Sure. Kala. Andik syugul. Okay, tagadanan na. Kumakain siya.
Before we leave, I told to Daddy before we leave, we're gonna go hunting for some birds.
Okay, let's go again.
And
We hunt birds. Ito na yung persimmon.
Before lunch? What's the point of hunting birds? Makes me feel that I'm being a shooter.
Wala, ang sarap matulog dito. Inaantok ako, guys.
Before lunch, we will go to
Yeah.
when you wake up in the morning.
Ang hangin, kita nyo ba? Tara, let's go there. You remember, Sayan, you made TikTok there? Sayaw-sayaw ka?
No, I'm going down.
Ta.
I mean you.
No, come. Here. Ito din, walnuts ito. Mamaya pupunta tayo sa baba.
It was your idea.
Stroll kami dito sa labas. Ay sa...
I remember the video. What was the video about? The video.
Hi, we are dancing.
We put your phone and then I put
Hi, yung click noon. It's click the Mariah Carey. Like this.
I did the singer Maria.
Mariah Carey.
But what's the Shasma?
I forgot.
I want to go back home.
Wait.
Mama.
Tahon. Ito yung wild raspberry. Titingin tayo kung, ay, ano na sila, sira na.
Where did we make it here?
Yeah, there. Ito. Raspberry ito, guys. Tut, tawag nila.
Kian. I just left.
Asim.
What if they're poisonous? What if they're poisonous?
Ay, the raspberry, mama.
Raspberry.
Ang sarap yung, purple. Ito,
Can be poisoned, mommy. Mommy, raspberries can be poisoned.
Sarap siya. Ang mga bata, hindi nila alam ito na healthy.
Mommy, raspberries can be poisoned. Don't you understand?
Tahir.
Mommy, you've been here, me and Daddy hunting for some birds.
Another way this.
Mommy, we've been down here.
No, in that part. Tahir, here.
Mommy, I walked with Daddy. Mommy, I walked with Daddy here when I was hunting birds. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi, ya ilahi. Explore. I don't need to explore.
This one is olives. Yan.
Olive.
Olives. Purple.
They cut this one and they use it for Palm Sunday.
Yeah. Yeah, right. We did not come here yet, Mama.
Anna, come in. Anna, I can't.
I want to eat the tooth. Ito ay tooth. Raspberry. Clean ito, ma-clean.
You know what? I'll go back home and explore the area where me and Daddy explored.
You don't love me.
No, I explored this. Mommy, I've explored this before.
No, we did not.
Mama!
Sayang, nasisira. Sarap, guys.
There's a fountain down.
Daming olives, oh. Olives. Diyan, mamaya pupunta tayo. Maraming grapes, maraming prutas. Granadine, mga ganon. Yung ano, pomegranate. Hindi nila kinakain. Sarap nito, guys. Ako ang matakaw sa prutas. Alam nyo? Wild. Ito, ginagawa nila minsan ito na ice cream. Yes, ice cream. Tawa na nila ako. You don't believe they make ice cream in this one? Tooth?
Yeah, kid.
Hmm.
But Kian was like,
We stay here for a while.
Kian was like, I stayed here before.
Ang ganda dito, guys. Sobrang tahimik.
Kian was like, you're talking about tooth and then you randomly say ice cream. And what are you talking about?
It's like ice cream, I said.
What is she talking about? Mommy, I don't need to stay here. I already stayed here with Daddy.
It seems you don't like Isneya.
Mabala, my went this way before. Like, I went this way 3 times with Daddy. Bros, I'm scared.
No, this one here and the other one is there. This one is going to somewhere else.
I'm going down. It's going down.
No, this the road. No, the road is there.
Oh, I don't know.
Bala,
It's going down.
this one is not the road we are going down. Here, this road. No, this one is going this house. This house, big house. You see, another house this.
It's coming, going down.
I want to go there.
I am going back.
No, wait for us. We explore this place.
There is a bird.
Now we will check here. Cheyenne. Check yan.
I came here before.
No. You did not come. Mga olive ito, oh, sayang. Parang hindi nila kukunin. Sisira, oh, huhulog sila. Mga bahay, may bahay dito. Ayan, ito almonds. Ay, walnut ito. Ayan, walnut. Ayan, ibang way na ito. Papasok na ito. Ito, grapes. Puno ng grapes. Pero wala nang bunga. Yung dalawa. Ayan, doon na yung bahay. Ito, mama. Ito naman is yung tawag nito. Tara, baba tayo. Wala naman atang tao. Ito yung fig, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito, fig. Fig ito, oh. Yan. Dalawang klase ang fig. May white at saka pink. Ito yung pink. Yan. Oh, guys. Kainin natin. Harap. Ito yung isa.
Stop eating the food, Mommy.
Nasisira. Sayang, guys. Sisira ba? This one, pinsan din ni Mr. ito. Tara, let's go. Pa ba tayo? Ito yung parang santol sa atin na maasim siya na ito, oh. Nahulog siya. Wala naman atang tao. Ito, oh, yan. Ano na ito sa English? Cheyenne, what is this in Arabic, mama?
I don't know.
Tatanungin.
What's even this?
What is this? Ito yung itong fruits na ito, guys, peach. Nahuhulog sila, oh, sayang. Ay, hindi peach, palm. Wala, sayang. Daming prutas na sayang dito. Yung grapes, oh, hindi kinukuha. Ayan, oh. Kunin ko ito. Nahulog naman siya. Ayan, oh. Ano na ito sa English? Taste nga natin. Ang sarap. Sarap, guys. Oh. Nabusog ako sa prutas. Tignan natin to, nahulog siya.
Mommy, just throw it. Throw the fruit.
Sayang, guys, oh.
Why do that?
Walang nakatira. Nasa Beirut sila. Let's go. Asan na si ate? Ate Liv. Nanguha kami ng prutas.
Look, I see Daddy's car.
Libre ang prutas dito. Nanguha ng prutas ng akin. Sabihin nila, yung asawa ni Laura ay asawa ni Johnny. Natakaw sa prutas. Tuwaso si Mami Laura. Nanguha tayo ng ano. May avocado din sila, oh. Yan. Hindi nila kinukuha ang mga prutas dito, sayang. Ay, andito na ako para hunting ng prutas. I remember this one. Nakalimutan ko na kung anong pangalan nito sa English. I-search ko siya, tanungin ko. Ginagawa nila itong jam. What is this Arabic? I don't know.
It's like hamon.
No, it's not hamon.
Anyways, Teta wants to know the sauce you put in the chicken fillet. She don't know.
Chicken prawn? Le, she can make it by her own.
No, she wants Tornado. Oh, it's not. What's wrong?
Yala kami.
One is very hot.
Yeah, I told you.
Arguing with
Eh,
me.
I told you.
I don't want to explore much.
I like you came here to explore, not to stay in the house. Ayan.
We're coming to hunt.
Madami tayong i-explore dito. Hindi naman masakit yung ano ng araw, guys. Kasi mahangin siya, fresh air. Pakita natin ito kay mama. Tanungin ko kung anong pangalan ito sa Arabic, tapos sabihin ko sa English. Mama, show hi the Arabic.
هيدا سفرجل ماما.
Isfarjal. Ah.
هيدا سفرجل هيدا بنعمل منه المربى.
Okay. Yan. Isfarjal pala ito. Oo. Wait, patulungan natin si mama mag-prepare ng food.
ناجي